Hello guys, here is how to claim extra dog airdrop from the Notcoin app. If you participated in Notcoin airdrop or you are just about to, I'll drop the link in the description box of this video. You can claim extra dogs airdrop from this Notcoin app, from this Notcoin bot. So let me open my Notcoin bot account. So this is what we currently have. I'll click on games. If you are fading this lost dog, you see it's under Notcoin. You see lost dogs. The way all of that. So know what you are fading. Okay, it's not under games. It's under bonuses. Let me check here. Okay, you come to under this Notcoin page. You see under Notcoin, you see dogs and Notcoin. Dogs drop for explorers. Then I'll click on it. So these are the tasks you have to do. Dogs for Notcoin explorers. Confirm your level and get dogs. The higher the level, the bigger reward. Connect wallets. Let me click on this connect wallet. Okay, you see, I decided to do the free draw of tags. Then I'll click on continue. Okay, I'll have to, this emoji pack is available only to subscribers. Okay, emoji added. So I've completed this. So let me click on notes. Okay, let me do this. I've connected my wallet earlier. Let me follow dogs community. I've done this as well. So confirm platinum level. I'm currently in bronze. So apparently these are all the tasks you have to do. Some of them are not clicking. I don't know why. So let me just refresh the bots. I've connected my wallet. Sorry. Jeez. Let me go back. Okay guys, so apparently these are the tasks you have to do to get these rewards. I'm trying to connect my wallet and it's not clicking. I don't know. Maybe it's Telegram network or something. I'll just try. I've completed 2 of these tasks. So I just need to complete 1 and 2. Then I should be able to get the airdrop. So this is how to get extra dogs airdrop from the Notcoin bots on Telegram. Also, you can stake your airdrop on Gateio to earn additional rewards. Just like I said earlier, all you need to do is to deposit your dogs airdrop to this Gateio exchange, or you use your USDT to buy dogs if you don't have. Then come to this M button here. Then click on startup mining. You see under this startup mining, you are seeing dogs. Another 7 million dogs will be distributed within the period of 7 days of staking. The staking period 7 days. This is apart from this 5 million dogs that will be distributed in 5 days. I made a previous video on this as well. This 5 million dogs in 5 days. So now we have another one. 7 million dogs will be distributed in 7 days. You can put your dogs to work and stake here. Come to hen, come to startup mining, click on stake under the dogs, enter the amount of dogs you want to stake, then click on confirm. Okay, the minimum is 3,000 dogs. I'm currently staking on the 5 million one before the later brought this. And you can as well participate in this Toshi staking as well. It's either you stake GT tokens or you stake Toshi tokens on itself. So if you have GT tokens on Gateio, put it to work by staking here to earn this Toshi airdrop rewards, it will be automatically distributed to your spot balance at the end of this staking activity. Or you stake the Tochi tokens itself. You can use your USDT to buy Tochi tokens and you come here to stake to earn extra Toshi reward. After the event ends in 7 days, you will get your on stake and you also get the staking rewards, and you can convert back to USDT. So this is how to put your money to work on Gateio startup mining airdrops. So guys, this is the current update about the dogs on Notcoin Telegram bot claiming. Also participate in the dogs staking to earn extra rewards. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified of every of my updates. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.